If YouTube TV displays a blank screen on your mobile device while the audio plays or the app is unresponsive, it's usually caused by app glitches, outdated software, or cache issues. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Restart the YouTube TV app. Close it completely using recent apps, then reopen it. Step 2. Restart your mobile device. Power off, wait 10 seconds, then turn it back on to refresh system memory. Step 3. Check your internet connection. A slow or unstable network may prevent the video from loading correctly. Switch to Wi-Fi or a stronger network if necessary. Step 4. Clear the app cache. Step 5. Update your YouTube TV app and mobile device software. Outdated apps can cause display problems. Step 6. Disable any VPN or proxy services that may interfere with YouTube TV connectivity. After following these steps, the blank screen issue should be resolved, and YouTube TV should display both video and audio correctly on your mobile device. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.